How to use locate to search for folders only. On a Unix system, locate searches the database for files with chosen name or files within the folder with the chosen name. How can I use locate to output only folders, not files?
Actually, locate has what it takes if you use the regex option and you don't mind it spitting out files that have the same name as the directories you seek. The end-of-line position marker gets the job done. Locate also supports ignore case if that's what you want.
Locate itself can't do it for you. So the unique way to do it is to filter the output of locate.
Why not use the find command?
Find as suggested in Scott Wilson's answer is what I would have used. However, if you really need to use the locate DB, a hackish solution could be sudo since the database is not directly readable by regular users. Strings to strip metadata. This makes you also find directories to which you don't have read permission, which locate usually hinders. Break time equals 1s break.db is the DB path on Ubuntu, apparently, as an example. Other distributions might have it in other places, e.g., break time equals 1s break.db. grep e to enable regular expressions. **dir name will match all lines that start with a, which all directories in the DB happen to do, followed by any character a number of times, followed by your search word. Positive sides of this solution. It is faster than find. You can use all the bells and whistles of grep, or other favorite text processing tools. Negative sides. The same as locate in general, DB must be updated, you need root access.
Putting Oliver Salzberg's neat line into your .basic. Then you can type locd something every time you want to locate just directories. Some breakdown. -0 provides better support for file names containing spaces or newlines. B or base name matches only the last part of the path. A matches all inputs, so if you provide multiple arguments, all must be present.
Fast sollte, so can play.